What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? How you doing? Yes, it is that time because it has been a long time, no post cash flow game. But now I'm back. I'm back in the game again. That's right. Well, you might not believe it, but I have played this since the last time I posted a video playing it in 2016. And the reason why I haven't posted any videos is because there was someone that I think I'm not sure if it's guy or girl or anything like that, but the person commented, and apparently the person is part of the cash flow risk police, because this person let me know that I was not taking enough risk in the game. And I really have to apologize about that, because I thought this game was made so you could, play and learn and develop your own investing personality. But obviously, since someone left a comment saying I wasn't taking enough risk, I'm just happy they didn't storm in my house and arrest me. The cash flow risk police. So this time I'll try to do better there, buddy. But before we buy some Mighty for you, MYT for you. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at that ticker. MYT for you. Must be on like the Singaporean stock exchange or something, because not pulling up here in the U.S. Since I can't do any fundamental analysis or technical analysis on it, I'm just gonna pass. We'll keep rolling. Oh, there it is again. But let's just buy it. And since we don't want the cash flow risk police banging down my door and arresting me for not taking enough risk, so we'll just load up. We will go cash flow gung ho. Bam. Oh, guess we better not do that. Oh. Do that. What am I doing? I thought it was $1 a piece. Horrible. Let's guesstimate it here. 25 shares. Nope. You guys are gonna see my horrible math skills. Good thing I have a calculator. Oh boy. Close enough. All right. Got the cash flow risk police gonna bust down my door and get me for not using a calculator, not knowing how to properly do math. Well, holy guacamole, should we look up the ticker over here? Nah, let's just pass. It's probably gonna happen again. Let's just pass. Costs too much. Can't short. Speaking of a short, I think you can make a short-term trade. You got your stochastic going down here. But we're gonna keep rolling. Let's check out what my financials is. Police officer. Oh, no wonder why they didn't bust down the door on me. Because I am the cash flow risk police. I didn't realize that. And what else we got? What do we got going on? Whatever. Total expenses $18.80. All right. Let's just roll them doggies. Bam! I guess telling too many people I'm part of the police. They locked me up. Locked me up for a little while. But your short is coming through loud and clear over here, isn't that something? You put that on. My turn is on skip the Rooney. All right, what do we got? Oh, I don't have that. I'm gonna keep going. Oh, and someone else left a comment. No assets. Someone else left a comment, and they said they got out of the rat race in 5 minutes, beat that hot shot. That's what they said. They said beat that hot shot, and I just what can I do? You know, if I can't beat it, I apologize. Let's buy some. Let's do $1,000. Worth the game, whatever. Oh, 200. What do you guys think? Cash flow risk police. What should I do? Because obviously I got to take a loan out, and also my loan amount is going to be higher than the cash flow. But I could pay it off, and it's the beginning of the game. I have an asset I could sell. I could pay it off. I have 140. What's happening with the short over here? It looks like it's starting to rise back up a bit. I don't know. If the Stochastic's saying it's going to go down, we'll see if it's going to untouch this. Yeah, let's buy it. I'm just so concerned about whoever left that comment before, yelling at me. Brent, I told you, you need to take more risk, and you're not playing the game the way that I want you to play the game. So I'm just better play the game that they tell me to play the game, since it's, since they're in control of my life, obviously, and they're in control of all of our lives. We'll pass on those unless the risk police come back and tell me that I gotta buy that. And got payday. Well, I will be jiggered. Look at that, just rising right up. I thought with this, look at that big gap with that stochastic here. Look at that strong trend going down. Must be some buyers. Got some buyers in there. We'll roll here. Let's see if we can be a buyer. Oh, look at that. I think we're gonna, you know what, risk police. Okay, we'll do it for you. Cash flow risk police. Oh boy. Got a child. Talk about being risky. I was not protecting myself. Oh, well, let's sell. Let's sell it all. All right, and let's do some repaying. Let's see, repay loan. How much? Yeah, let's do 2. Okay, it gives us 140 positive cash flow now. Woo! You see that risk right in front of the downsize. Boy, oh boy, what's gonna happen? Oh, friend needs quick cash. If the risk police gonna get me for that one, I'm just gonna have to take it. I'm not. All right, missed that. Another small one. Oh, MYT5. That's what I bought it for before. So, what do you think? Should we add to it? Should we add to it? If you were long in this position, would you add to it? What if you were short? Would you add to it? What would you do? Me, if I was day trading this, I probably would try to cash out somewhere. But if I shorted it up here, I'll just take my profits right now. And then if it made a new low, I definitely want to take my profits before I'm hitting this 200-day moving average over there. But let's buy some more. How much are we gonna buy? 100 shells? Can't do it. Yeah, we could do 1,000, but I don't want to do 1,000. Not really keen on doing 1,000. So let's try to type, which obviously is not going very well for me. Let's try 200. 200? Yeah, we'll do 200. Add up a little bit. Oh, maybe we're building a little bit of base here. Look at that. Well, we'll kink on our stochastic here. And moving over, but it could still drop. It could still drop those things. They could still drop. Now where are we at? Rolling. Oh, tax audit. Ouch. All right, let's keep going. No time to dwell on the tax man. Do a small deal. Okay for you. Yeah, I feel like I'm kind of loaded up on stock. So from going forward, $5, $1, probably buy, but 10, we're passing. Okay, we're passing cash flow risk police, and you can leave your negative comment in there if I'm not playing the cash flow game the way you want me to play it. I can deal with your harsh criticism. All right. So now what? Find a great deal. All right, let's buy it. Let's roll 2 dice. Oh, we don't have any assets for that. But I forgot about this. And you know what? How about this? I'll make a deal with you guys. What I will do is that once I get past this downsized Olo here, then I'm going to pay off that money. All right, I'm passed. All right, and I got a new cell phone bill for passing. So I'll pay that. And bam, look at that. Pop it up. I'll repay this. Keep going. We'll keep rolling. Keep those cash flow dice rolling. Pass on this. Drug company. Cash flow. Don't try to understand those negative trolling comments. Just keep on cash flowing. Yeah, you can probably tell I'm not very good at singing. We're gonna pass. I'm gonna buy this. Oh, what do you think? What do you guys think? Well, this is what. So what should we do here? So we could buy this $5,000, which obviously brings us down to 900. The reason why I'm kind of hesitant to do this at the moment is because, okay, we're loaded up on stock at $5, and there's a good chance we're gonna get a card that says, like, you know, sell it at 10, double it, sell it at 20, sell it at 40, 50, something like that. So that's a big capital gains possibility. Also here, we've got this one condo that's given us a negative house. It's given us a negative 100 cash flow, and that's a potential capital gains. And here's another potential capital gains. Here's another potential capital gains. So I think I'm just going to pass on the raw land. If there was a way for me to, you know, if you were able to communicate with me right now and you're like, Brent, why don't you buy that? And I would like to buy it from you for $7,000. Then, you know, maybe we'd do a deal. But unfortunately, by the time you're watching this, the game is over and I'll be in bed. Look at it, it's almost 9 o'clock. Woo! Let's roll it. Oh, downsize. Man, good thing I guess maybe it's a good thing. No, the cash flow risk police, they'd probably put me in jail for not taking that risk. But I just gotta, a cash flow gamer's got to do what a cash flow gamer's got to do, and right now I'm just got to sell. I'm gonna sell it all. And we'll keep rolling. Oh, look at that. Basing out here, building a little bit of building something here, building blocks of America. All right. Nah, we're gonna pass. We don't want any more negative cash flow. We got some negative cash flow already. I want to get rid of that. We'll just donate some money. Rolling dice. There we go. No assets to do that. And starting. Oh, our stochastic's changing a little bit there. Move my mouse over here. Okay, roll 2 dice. Come on, no whammies, big bucks. Yeah, I'll pass on that one. Unless we could short it, I would short it at 30. But if you can't short, my brokerage account don't let me short. Let it pass the test. All right, what we got? Rare gold coin. Let's take a look. We got some gold futures. Let's see what's going on with gold. Oh, gold. Well, look at that. Almost looks exactly like what we just saw on the S&P 500 minis. Down. Look at that stochastic. Bam. Going down. But, you know, this is on a 5-minute chart for one day. So if we're going to be buying some gold, maybe it's a longer-term investment, let's take a look at all time. 20 years. Bam. We'll go on monthly since 20 years easier. You know, we'll look at 5-minute chart. Holy macaroni. Boom. Look at that. And burst up that. That is some volume. That is a movement right there, isn't it? Holy guacamole. Look at that. Faced out. You know what? So when I'm looking at that 5-minute chart, it's a little bit deceptive when I look at this monthly chart for the last 20 years. And that gold is kind of looks like it's going in a woohoo. Look at that. Look at that gap between the 2 lines of the MACD. Yowzas. Okay, we'll buy some gold. We'll buy that. But let's get back over to the futures, S&P. 20 years. 20 years on the monthly, huh? I don't know. Anyways, That's what this says. I don't know for sure if that's 20 years, but we want to get this. I don't know if you want it, but I want it. And since I'm doing this right now, I guess I can't really ask for your opinion. All right, back to the S&P futures. Try to get an idea. Ooh, stochastic's closing up. Might be making an up movement. Ladies and gentlemen, trying to get an idea of what the stock market is going to do tomorrow, so that way I can, figure out ooh, I don't have any stock left. Never mind. We'll buy some more. All right, we'll stick with the small deals for now. I was just talking about buying more stock. Cash flow risk police gonna spank me. Gonna bust down my door and spank my booty if I don't buy this. And you know what? I guess I'm just gonna be a rebel. I do the Diaz middle fingers to the cash flow risk police, and you can lock me up in the comment box. All right, going again. Small deal. Reverse split. Maybe that would have been good. Maybe it was bad. I don't remember which ticker it was, but anyways, we're doing another small deal. Okay, we'll do that. And we're still sticking with the small OLAs. We're gonna pass. We're gonna pass on. Not gonna support the drug dealers. Not now, at least. We'll support them later. And we're gonna pass on those guys. We're not supporting those guys. Woohoo! You see that? You see that? Just made it pass. Oh man, cash flow risk police gonna like me for that one. Playing risky business there. Almost got downsized. Start a part-time company. Okay, let's do it. All right. I usually like to take those risks earlier, but since cash flow risk police is going to be leaving all types of comments, going to lock me up, well, better just stick with a small one for now, even if the risk police is going to get me. All right, what's going on now? Stick with a small one. Sister wants to borrow money. Nah, not doing that. Sticking with these small deals. Ooh. Well, the risk police, you know what they're going to do. If I don't go all in, the risk police is going to be leaving negative comments on my YouTube channel, and even worse, they might bust down my doors, might lock me up, throw me in prison, not taking enough risk. So I had to go all in on the big boy. All right. Yeah, gotta pass. Cause I ain't got no money. Oh, I'm playing risky. Look at this. My total expense is $2,000. I have less than $2,000. If I hit that, bam! If I hit this, I have to borrow money. Speaking of borrow money, still need to pay that back. Oh, I guess I paid it back. Never mind. We'll go small deal. I'm gonna pass on that. Doing the pass. Let's build in a little bit of support. Oh, look at that. It just disappeared. All right. Passed it. Speaking of pass, I'm going to pass on that. Pass this, pass that. Passing all types of things. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. Where is that? Well, we definitely, I think, want to get rid of this one. Get that negative one out of there. And you notice that? That just like complete doji, doing something like that, right? Complete. You say doji, I say doji, potatoes and all those other things. Well, that definitely is hardcore doji, isn't it? However you want to pronounce it. So what should we do? We got 87,000 USD currency in the account at the moment, and could sell some more. Yeah, well, sell another one. Oh, shoot! Well, should we go big time? What do you think, cash flow risk police? Can you leave a comment and tell me if I made a mistake on doing this, or let me know if I'm playing the way that you think I should. Am I living my life the way that you say I should live my life? Please, cash flow risk police, let me know if I'm violating the way that you want me to live, because it matters to me. I have to live by your rules, Mr. Cash Flow Risk Police. Well, I'm definitely not beating the hot shot. It's been like 20 minutes and I'm still not out of the rat race. But bam, look at that. We really just based out, and now we are making some upward movement there. Oh, see, I'm gonna push it up higher with this. Push it up, and I got the MACD moving over here now, and probably, you're probably asking me, or you're probably scolding me, saying, why are you even using the MACD and the stochastic at the same time? I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I just better go with the big deal at the moment. Shut up and buy that. Since I got some cash flow, or at least cash in the bank, do another big deal. Oh, 20 acres for sale, no cash flow. I'm going to pass on capital gains. Capital gains possibility. We'll look at the cash flow. We're almost done. Almost done. We're ready to be done with this. And talking so much, I need to shut up. Usually I don't talk this much. I prefer to shut up. All right. There we go. Hot shot. It only took me 20 minutes. 21 minutes. Oh, thank you. All right. So there we go. Beat it. I won the game. I'm happy. Forgot to tell you to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And if you're part of the cash flow risk police, please come break down my door. Well, actually, please don't break down my door. You guys have a good night.